can't bother them, you know. For this Girl Power Tuesday and also for Clive.
Oh my God.
I'm sorry, Gillian.
That's fine.
Gillian Larmond is sharing her inspiring journey of leaving a career in sales to pursue her passion as a crochet artist. And now she's helping women over 50 feel confident and stylish with her modest yet sexy crochet swimwear designed just for them and for Clive. Gillian, welcome. Clive was trying on the pieces. That's why you hear me keep saying.
And that one suits him very well.
So no, she said
Suits
it's
him
not
so
how
well.
she was talking.
So-
this is the one that she says suit him well. Hey.
So the good thing is that I brought my tape measure and I do my work based on custom design, so I'll be able to do it for him.
Give this woman
Ideally.
a prize. Give her something. Oh, boy. You fit right in here, Gillian. Welcome to the show. It's good to have you.
Thank you.
So you grew up in country. You grew up near the
Yes,
sea.
Savlamar.
Yes, you enjoyed going to the sea, but you had a problem from them time there.
From the time there, I would wear like t-shirt and shorts to the beach because wasn't confident enough to put on, the sexy swimwear, because even at 50 people still wear this and even sexier swimsuits.
When you say even at 50, I don't like how we're vilifying 50,
No.
50
Let me
is
tell
the
you
new
why.
35, 50
No,
is the
let
new
me tell
20.
you why. There are times when I get dressed and go out, and somebody may ask, what's your age? And I'll be like, I'm almost 56. 56, looks like 56. And I'm like, what is 56 supposed to look like?
Right.
So this is why I'm saying there are a lot of persons out there, like myself, who are not confident. They may be confident in other areas, but to wear a swimwear like this, or even sexier, we know them, to the beach, it's kind of hard for them.
So you would go to the beach, you would wear your t-shirt and your shorts. As you got older, you wanted swimwear that you could put on and feel comfortable in.
Right.
You were selling, you were in media at the time, sales, and you just decided that you would leave the people in work and go and...
No, it's not so it goes.
Tell me how it goes.
How it goes is that I stopped working.
Yes.
Right? Because the radio station was on sale.
Okay.
So I was unemployed, I wanted to start something for myself. So I was there toying with the idea of using my crochet hobby to start a business, and I'm also toying with the idea of using my sales knowledge to help people to build a roadmap for success for their small businesses.
Which is how Mystique came about.
Right.
Okay.
So my thing is that in order for me to get over the fear of going to the beach and whatever it is that I want to wear, I decided that, listen, I'm going to make stuff, go to the beach, model them for myself, take pictures and videos,
Yes.
put them on social media,
Yes.
and not say buy my stuff, but if
Somebody
persons out
says,
there,
"This is nice."
right,
Yes.
I can make one for you.
Yes. Is that what happened?
That's what's been happening.
Yay!
Yeah.
Yay! Clive, can you model one of these so that we can show the folks so they can order? No?
Yes,
Okay.
Clive.
It was worth a shot. And so you have Mystique now and you have this business.
Right.
And so how long you been crocheting?
I've been crocheting over 30 odd years, but as a business, I just started a year and a half, toying with the idea of doing it, talking with family, friends and stuff to find out whether or not, because sometimes, as we say, we lack confidence.
Oh, sure.
So not going all out and saying, yes, I'm doing the business, because there are so many other crocheters, talented crocheters here in Jamaica who are in swimwear.
No matter.
Exactly, but then that is where I niche down a bit to say, all right, for persons who are modest, over 50, I want to look sexy, want to look well at the beach, but in whatever it is.
I came out to you this morning and I said, you look lovely. You made that top, Debbie, Gillian made this top last night.
Yeah, that's right, only have.
Soji, call Soji for me. Soji, Gillian, can you stand up, please?
Sure.
Gillian made this top I want you to frame. Last night. Turn your back there, Miss Lady. So how long does it take you to do?
All right, so I started in the afternoon put it down to do something else. And then I sat up last night and I finished it because I said I wanted to wear it on set. It's actually a swimwear cover-up. I wanted to wear it here today, so I was up until about after 1.
That's a very nice
it.
top. I would take it off of you and buy it, actually.
Okay.
So
I'll take an order for you before I
hey, that's good. That's how it's got to go. And so it's not just the swimwear. I mean, you've made that as a swimwear cover-up, but obviously you can diversify into...
I do home decor. That's where I started.
Oh, you do home decor too?
Yeah, I do runners, I do doilies, I do just about...
Everything.
I still do them because there are still persons who order from me, especially Christmas time, you know, when people are decorating their homes. So I did a set the other day, but then what do you do when somebody doesn't really want home decor?
Yeah, you do something that is marketable all year round.
Right. So the intention is not just to do this, but to do the whole beach set out, like the hats, the cover-ups, the swimwear, earrings. Right.
Dale, gosh, you guys, this is the bottom of the piece, right? So you can see it is super modest, but also very cute. And then the top. This top gives a little less coverage. Where are we? And the green one. Green one now is, I guess, this is for the more buxom. It's for the more buxom woman. Like Clivus. This is one of the Clivus. Right? There you go.
One like that would look so well on you.
You think so?
Yeah.
You know, say I'm afraid of a two-piece because I don't sure have the body for it.
Well, the thing is, this is why I do custom orders.
Yes, go ahead, finish it.
This is why I would do custom orders. So whatever it is that persons want, I tailor it for them.
Yes, got
So if it is full, if it is short, if it is long, whatever it is that they desire, I'm able to make it.
Tell me where
for
we
them.
find you in social because we have to go.
Gillian Larmond, Gillian Larmond on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter.
Okay, thank you very much, ma'am.
You're
Congrats
welcome.
and all the best to you.
Thanks for having me.
Gillian Larmond, entrepreneur and crochet artist. Take a quick break, wrap the show, and we come back.